Did you catch what he said? Today we watched three lives. Atkins, that was a good one. Trump cabinet meeting,
Yeah, he was live 3 hours, which is absolutely insane.
and an announcement, right? It was a long, crazy day. And you know me, I like crazy. But when it comes to the Fed, he is already up to here with Powell. And today we got a sneak peek, something that maybe he didn't have to say, but you know, Trump, we love him. He says anything he comes through here, he has no filter. And he just leaked maybe who's gonna be the chair, and that was fun. I think the markets haven't really realized that, so I want to tell you that and more. Also, big shout out to our partner CoinRabbit. Right now, I think a lot of people are seeing the dip, are seeing, are we gonna go higher? QT just ended quantitative tightening, and they're like, should I buy? Not financial advisor, but I'm telling you, I already did. So what the crypto industry does a lot is I borrow, I borrow. What is Michael Saylor doing right now? What are all the big institutions? Borrow, borrow against your assets. So obviously they have a bunch of money in assets
Yeah,
and they borrow.
this is the big issue right now is a lot of these institutions are just borrowing so much money. They're just borrowing and borrowing and borrowing, and suddenly there's big debt. It's a big debt that's going on.
Borrow, right? But can we do it
Yeah.
at the re?
I feel like the issue right now is crypto cannot be decided if it's like bad or good. There's no good or bad in crypto. It's absolutely insane if you ask me. This is the worrying part I have with crypto right now. There's a very very fine line of people going ahead and just, doing their own thing. Like they're just not happy with it at all. There's like 50% of people who are not happy with crypto. And then the other 50% of people, they support crypto and love it. So you have this like battle of bulls and bears at this point. It's worrying in a fact that when we were watching crypto 1 year ago, it was like this amazing thing that the government was all bullish for it, but now we're seeing crypto suddenly like go down and the bear market starting, like especially during December when everything should go up. We're barely holding above 1.87. And yeah, crypto can't be always up, but it would be nice to at least, we're in very early stages for crypto. That's what I think. We're in very very early stages at this point. So you guys got to realize this is one factor that a lot of people are not talking about.
Retail individual level. Well, Coin Rabbit, I'll tell you more. I'll put the links down below so you do your research. Do your research, and let's have some fun because this is nice. Putting power back to the individual, and I like that a lot, guys. And they're great people. They've been in a lot of places, so that's super super fun. But showing you right now on XRP, guys, we saw the nice rally today, December
Yeah.
2nd.
And then suddenly like a pullback, which means people are selling at $1. Terrible, absolutely terrible, if you ask me. That's the issue here. There's a lot of people. They didn't expect this type of pullback. They saw a huge pump and suddenly like we gotta stop, right?
Of course, it's coming down. I get it. Again, no worries, right? But okay, what you came here for, just check this out in classic Donald Trump style.
Being here, it's a great group.
Wait a second.
Being here, it's a great group. And I guess a potential Fed chair is here too. I don't know. Are we allowed to say that? Potential. He's a respected person, that I can tell you. Thank you, Kevin. Being here.
So, because the volume is always down in these videos, I hate it. The thing is that Kevin, who? Kevin Hassett, right?
Yeah, so they're gonna do their own presidential committee and go big on crypto. This is what people are hoping for that could really, really push crypto above like a certain price point, in my honest opinion. This is what most of people hope will happen in 2024 to 2028. You have like, the government pushing crypto out that could cause, Bitcoin 200,000, 300,000. But we're still not sure. There's still so much regulation going on that we're such early stages.
So this guy, I know the guy for a while. He is charismatic, so, bubbly. Um, he's an economic advisor, whatever, economic something. He knows, right? But he's a Trump loyalist. So whatever Trump says, he's gonna do, which is
Yeah.
okay, whatever, right? I mean, it's the MAGA movement. That's fine, good. So if he's the guy, as they're basically saying, effectively announcing Kevin Hassett. So he wasn't supposed to say it, but he revealed it, leaked a big leak, right? So very, very nice. I mean, let me show you, right? I don't want you to be like, oh, Oscar, what are you saying? No. Like a lot of people are basically saying, who will Trump nominate as the Fed chair? And Kevin Hassett is beating everybody. I thought it was gonna be Waller. If you watch my videos a couple months ago or weeks ago, I told you I think it's gonna be Waller, but it seems that Hassett is gonna be the one. And Polly Market is always right, almost always right. Drop a like, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Welcome aboard. Links down below to everything you know. It's a brand new month. Get it. Trade. Pumping. Always buy what you can afford losing. I want to continue with more because I have a lot to tell you guys. I'm going to put in the glasses of power.
Yeah, so it is pretty obvious this is a political move in order to, check where crypto will go. I think crypto regulation is going to get a lot easier at this point. So that's a pretty exciting factor that I have. Like, crypto has been super regulated the past few years. And suddenly we are entering the factor where it's only going to be easier and easier, right, to go from here. So that's a smart move, if you ask me.
Doing crazy stuff, reacting with the news. When we were down, right, at 180 or under $2 XRP, people borrow, money and start buying crypto. Once the crypto is 10, 20, 30%, they can sell it. And the money that you borrow, paid back, and then you earn the difference as profit. Boom. You just solved many millions of people make a lot of money, not with your money, but with somebody else's money. But you know how to trade, you know how to buy it, but you know what time it is, and boom. And everybody makes money. It's the economy. That's the way it works. So at any time, even when the market is coming down, you can always do that. It's, of course, there are risks, right? It's not for everyone, but just wanted to keep you in the know. So thank you, Con Rabbit, and I'll put the link down below so you guys can continue doing your due diligence. Very nice reviews and very nice page and everything.
That's pretty awesome, though, to see that, we're improving in some way. It's definitely going to push us at least above $2, which is still extremely bullish if you ask me. But we're just far off from hitting 3.66. Because ask yourself, why would it hit 3.66 for now? It's just not possible at the moment. So